Day 2 of the high-stakes hearing in The Hague, it was Israel's chance to respond.
Please be seated.
South Africa alleges the death and destruction caused by Israel's military campaign in Gaza amounts to genocide. Lawyers for Israel accuse South Africa of distorting the truth.
The entirety of its case hinges on a deliberately curated, decontextualized, and manipulative description of the reality of current hostilities.
Israel says South Africa failed to prove any genocidal intent and highlighted efforts by the Israeli government to warn Palestinians before launching strikes. It says its military is focused on disrupting Hamas following the October 7 attacks. The UN's top court will now decide whether it orders Israel to suspend its military activity in Gaza. Israel has urged it not to, arguing it would set a dangerous precedent for other states defending themselves against terrorist attacks.
For us, provisional measures would lead to a perverse situation. It would effectively allow Hamas to continue attacking the citizens of Israel, to hold 136 hostages in unbearable conditions.
No matter how great the threat to Israel's citizens might be, genocidal attacks on the whole of Gaza and the whole of its population with the intent of destroying them cannot be justified at all.
World leaders will be watching the outcome of this landmark hearing closely as efforts to contain the conflict in the Middle East intensify.
Hours after the hearing ended, Germany announced it would intervene as a third party on Israel's behalf, saying there was no basis whatsoever to the case. Though technically binding for signatory countries, orders issued by the International Court are not enforceable. A provisional decision is expected in the coming weeks. Michelle Rimmer, ABC News.